Today I'm going to show you how to log onto the Genius and Buzz site to adjust your calendar and also your course due dates for different objects. So you're going to log in using your username and password. When you get to this site, you're going to click Go to LMS. You may be prompted with an additional prompt as well that you're going to click the small computer on. This is the teacher app which shows all of your courses. To adjust the course to start, you're going to go to the bottom of the course and you're going to click the pencil, which is the editor. Now that you're in the editor, you're going to go to the wrench at the top, the tools, and go to course settings. We want to uncheck this is a continuous course, and that should work as long as the start dates were set to be the same. After that, you'll click Save, and it will adjust the course as is. Once you have made it that it is no longer a continuous course, now you can switch the due dates. Up at the top, if you go over to scheduling, if you click on scheduling, it's going to show you the schedule for this particular course. So right now I'm in elementary math module and the first module, which is A. So I'm editing just that course. So I can go on now, and if I want to open up module 1, I can see all of the assignments. So if we are starting on September 14th, if I want the first assignment to be due on September 14th, I can drag it over and I can now see it there. And that is now the set due date for that activity. I can also adjust as needed. So if I click on it and I need to change it, I can go here and I can remove the due date as well if I need to. So I can go from here and add as I need. Once I go back to my other courses and I want to go back to the teacher app to see all of my courses, I'm going to have that option to do it for all of them. I'm going to click on editor. I can see my scheduling, and I'm going to do the same for this schedule. You'll notice I don't see my math on here as well because this is just for that particular course. You need to make sure that you have gone through and done this for each of your modules and each of your courses. Once you are done and then you adjust the dates and the assignments as you would like, you can see it if you choose next to the teacher app. You can choose calendar, and here you'll be able to see your updated calendar based on what you input. So I showed you how I put in just 2 of the lessons for each of the courses for both math and language arts, and you can see them on here. So you'll be able to see your own adjusted calendar instead of the paste calendar that they had created for you.